Ever seen some really cool clothing hacks that you just thought you needed to try? Well, us here at Ready Set Viral are going to give you some unbelievable clothing hacks you need to try. Let's head into it. Number 1, a t-shirt into something new. All you need to do is first cut at the bottom of the shirt as well as around the neck hole and the armholes, just like this. Finally, make 2 cuts on the straps and tie them together once they're on your body. You'll have a perfectly new shirt with no stains and a little bit of extra glam. Number 2, better fitting dress. All you need to do is place it on a flat surface and scrunch up the area in the middle just a few times. Then use a safety pin to secure it and you will have a better fitting dress in no time. Number 3, creating holes in your dress into something new. If you have a hole in your dress or even your t-shirt, all you have to do is cut some holes in the same area down in a vertical line. Then use a ribbon to weave it through like a shoelace and leave a couple of the strings hanging down like so. It'll be a cute new addition to make the hole in your clothing a little bit cuter. Number 4, shortening your pants. If your jeans or pants are a little too long, all you have to do is fold up the bottom of the pants to around this length. Then, grab an elastic and place it in the middle of the fold. Finally, all you have to do is fold the top part down and flip the rest under so that the elastic stays secure. You'll have some shorter pants that look way better than the ones you had before. Number 5, making a dress into a cooler and warmer new outfit. If you have a dress that you really want to wear, but also really want to be warm outside, all you have to do is get your favorite crew neck, like so, and place it over. Get a belt and secure it to your waist, and then pull your sweater a little bit over the belt so you can no longer see it. It'll look like a brand new outfit with no trouble. Number 6, deodorant stains be gone. All you need to get rid of this is some baby wipes. We know that sometimes water and soap doesn't help, but a quick wipe with this will be so easy. Number 7, turning your scarf into a key outfit piece. If you don't know how to wear a scarf with a dress, all you need to do is place it over your shoulders like so and secure a belt around your waist. It'll be a cute new addition and you'll keep your neck warm. Number 8, missing shirt button. Is your shirt missing one of the key buttons on it? Well, have no fear, because all you have to do is use some clear nail polish on the inner side where the string would have been and use the nail polish to glue it to the other side. It's the perfect fix to your missing button and keeps the string away. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!